Did you know that the average American spends over $1,000 per year on SUV maintenance? But what if we told you there's a way to save big on reliable SUVs? Today, we're unveiling the top 10 budget-friendly SUVs with low maintenance costs. Stick around to discover how you can drive without breaking the bank. 10. 2015 Kia Sportage. It's number 10 on our list, the 2015 Kia Sportage. This model is a standout for those who want value without sacrificing style. With its all-wheel drive and a 2.4-liter engine pumping out 182 horsepower, it's got enough kick for daily commutes and weekend getaways. You won't be visiting the mechanic too often, as the Sportage boasts a modest average yearly maintenance cost of $485. Despite 2 recalls, owners report satisfaction with its consistent performance and low upkeep costs. This compact SUV offers a comfortable interior and a smooth ride, making it a practical pick for shoppers on a budget. 9. 2011. Subaru Outback. Sliding into 9th place is the 2011 Subaru Outback, a reliable choice for those who need their vehicle to do a little bit of everything. This Subaru won't leave you stranded with a yearly maintenance bill averaging $646, which is reasonable for a car that can tackle rough conditions with its all-wheel drive system. With 170 horsepower under the hood, it has ample power for both city driving and country roads. The Outback is more than a car. It's a partner for those who love the outdoors. Even with 16 recalls, the 2011 Outback maintains a strong reputation for durability and customer satisfaction, proving itself as a sensible option for buyers who need a versatile vehicle without a hefty price tag. 8. 2018. Mitsubishi Outlander. At number 8, the 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander stands out for being a solid choice that's kind to your wallet. Mitsubishi has been making this model for over 2 decades, and it shows in the quality and thought put into the 3rd-generation Outlander. It's a compact crossover that's been refined over the years, with the ES Sport utility variant offering the best value on the used car market right now. The starting price is friendly for budget shoppers, and the average yearly maintenance cost is a manageable $519. Owners have noted some minor issues like paint and trim wear, as well as cabin noise, but these are small concerns when you consider the vehicle's overall dependability and the fact that it's had only 4 recalls. 7. 2014 Mazda CX5. Sliding into number 7, the 2014 Mazda CX5 is what you look for when you want a compact SUV that's easy on the purse strings. Mazda decided to take the best parts of the CX-7 and pack them into a more compact package, giving life to the CX-5. Available in several trims, the Sport SUV trim is currently the pick of the litter for those hunting for a bargain, with prices that'll make you smile. Its SkyActiv G 2.0-liter engine doesn't just save you money at the pump. It also promises a modest yearly maintenance cost of $520. Although there's a watch out for early wear on the brake calipers, the CX-5's overall cost to keep running smoothly makes it a smart pick. This vehicle is a friend to those who want reliability without the constant worry of high maintenance bills. 6. 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. Sliding into the 6th spot, the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox offers up a pleasing mix of comfort and cost-effectiveness. After considering the lively Mazda CX-5, the Equinox presents itself as a roomier alternative. With a starting price that's a real deal and an average yearly upkeep cost of $563, this model is a solid pick for those needing more space without a hefty price tag. The Equinox comes with a 2.4-liter engine and a smooth 6-speed automatic, providing a reliable drive that's easy on the wallet over time. Although there have been a few murmurs about the exhaust system, these issues are few and far between. Owners have found this SUV to be reliable on long trips and easy to handle in daily city drives. With 3 recalls to its name, it still maintains a strong position in the used SUV market, making it a practical choice for savvy shoppers looking for a vehicle that won't let them down. 5. 2014 GMC Terrain. Following the Equinox, at number 5, the 2014 GMC Terrain offers a slightly more upscale experience without straying from the path of affordability. This SUV stands out with its bold design and sturdy build. Inside, The Terrain is just as practical, with a well-thought-out layout and user-friendly technology. Owners appreciate the Terrain for its robust 2.4-liter engine that provides enough power for daily commutes and weekend escapes. The maintenance costs stay low at an average of $512 per year, reassuring buyers that the Terrain is a smart choice. Although it's not the roomiest in its class, the Terrain makes up for it with a solid feel on the road and a reliability score that rivals more expensive models. The 2014 GMC Terrain is a dependable ally for drivers who value durability and comfort without the premium price tag. 4. 2008. Honda Pilot sliding into the number 4 spot. The 2008 Honda Pilot is a standout for its durability and cost-effective maintenance. This SUV, with a robust 3.5-liter VTEC engine, delivers a solid 244 horsepower, making it both powerful and reliable for daily drives or family trips. Owners have reported few issues over the years, reflecting in its low average yearly maintenance cost of just $479. While the Pilot may not be the newest kid on the block, its ability to keep running smoothly without frequent trips to the mechanic makes it an attractive option for savvy buyers. It's the practical choice for those who want a vehicle that's easy on the pocket when it comes to upkeep, without skimping on the muscle under the hood. With a decent purchase price and the ability to last for years to come, the Honda Pilot firmly secures its place in our lineup, showing that you don't need the latest model to get where you need to go efficiently and affordably. 3. 2008 Toyota Highlander sliding into third place on our list. The 2008 Toyota Highlander stands out for more reasons than one. With a price that's easy on the wallet, it's a mid-size SUV that offers a comfortable ride, generous space, and the reliability Toyota is known for. The 3.3-liter hybrid engine under the hood not only gives you ample power with 270 horses, but also offers a torque of 212 lb-ft for that extra pull when you need it. Owners of the 2008 Highlander have had plenty to cheer about, from its all-wheel drive capability to the low maintenance costs, averaging around $445 per year. This makes it a go-to choice for families or individuals needing a dependable vehicle without the constant worry of high upkeep expenses. The Highlander also comes with a commendable number of recalls considering its age, indicating Toyota's proactive approach to safety and customer satisfaction. With these strengths, it's a compelling choice that sits just behind the top 2 in our countdown, bridging the gap between affordability and trustworthy performance. 2. 2008 Toyota RAV. 4. Rolling in at number 2 on our countdown, the 2008 Toyota RAV 4 stands out for its practicality and affordability. This SUV offers a combination of a comfortable interior, ample cargo space, and a reputation for endurance that makes it a favorite among families and individuals alike. With an average yearly maintenance cost of only $409, it keeps your wallet as comfortable as its seats. Despite the multiple recalls, owners appreciate its dependable nature. The RAV4's 2.4-liter engine is known for its fuel efficiency and decent power, giving you a smooth ride without frequent stops at the gas station. Additionally, its compact size makes it easier to maneuver and park in tight spots, a real plus in the city. It may not be the newest model on the block, but its capability to tackle both city streets and country roads with equal ease has helped it maintain its popularity over the years. This balance of features, cost, and dependability is why the RAV4 takes such a proud spot just shy of the top of our list. 1. 2007 Honda CR-V climbing to the top spot on our list. The 2007 Honda CR-V stands out for its exceptional balance of affordability and reliability. With an average yearly maintenance cost of only $349, it's hard to find a rival that can match its cost-effectiveness over a decade of use. This four-wheel drive SUV comes equipped with a robust 2.4-liter VTEC engine, known for its durability and efficiency. The CR-V's lower maintenance expense doesn't come at the cost of performance, delivering a smooth driving experience that has earned it high praise and a strong reliability score from J.D. Power. Owners have reported very few issues, making it a reliable choice for families and individuals alike. Furthermore, Its starting price point is incredibly attractive, keeping the initial investment low. With its practical design and low upkeep costs, the 2007 CR-V doesn't just lead our countdown, it leads the market in value and dependability. There you have it, folks, our top 10 budget-friendly SUVs with low maintenance expenses. These reliable rides won't empty your wallet on repairs. If you found this countdown helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful car content. Got questions or want to see more car topics? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive smart and drive